Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and if you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button to never miss out on any more videos. So today, you might notice that I'm in a different setting. I am in New York right now. I'm gonna be living in New York for the next 2 months. I've been here for almost a week, and I'm super excited for all the things I'm gonna be doing here, and this is my apartment. A few days ago, Glossier released a freaking mascara, and I wasn't sure if I wanted to get it because, you know, Glossier is all about that natural, like your skin or your face but better. So I was like, do I really want that mascara? I mean, is it really gonna be amazing? So I waited a bit to hear reviews and stuff, and everybody was raving about it. So I was like, I asked you guys on Instagram again. I did a poll on if I should get the mascara or not, and most of you said yes. So I did a little bit of shopping at the Glossier showroom. I didn't only buy the mascara, obviously. I'm going to be showing you what I got later on, like at the end of the video, so if you want to know, stay tuned for that. But for right now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to be testing out the mascara. If you guys want to know, this is going to be my first impressions, what I think of it, and I'm going to be checking up with you guys throughout the day to see if the mascara holds up to what it claims to do. Okay, yeah, let's head straight on to do this. Okay, so I have the mascara right here. It comes in this like super cute box thing. I don't know if it's focusing. I can't really see. That's what it looks like. The box is amazing. This is the Lash Stick. That's the actual name of the mascara. Film Form Mascara. It's a film form mascara. I don't know what the hell that means. And this is... It doesn't say what it does, but it's just supposed to make your lashes... I dropped it. It's just supposed to make your lashes look super nice, so we will try this out and we will see. Oh, fuck, I can't open it. I always love Glossier packaging. It's so pretty and it is so freaking beautiful. I can't. Oh my god. It smells pretty weird actually, but this is what the brush looks like. If it could focus, please. It reminds me a little bit of the Benefit Bad Gal Bang brush. That's just me though. And this does contain like little fibers I can see, but it's not like overwhelming, so. And let's just apply this to our eyes. Holy crap. Are you kidding me right now? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Do you see that? Mascara, no mascara. Holy crap. This looks beautiful. I am dying. I am dying. This feels amazing. It is pretty buildable. I've done a few coats right now, and it's obviously natural. This is so pretty. We'll do the other eye now. Okay, oh my god, this mascara is everything. So what I've found is that the mascara doesn't necessarily give me a ton of volume, just length, but I have a lot of lashes. Like, I have pretty thick lashes as is, so this is just making them longer and more accentuated, like literally my lashes but better. I am shook. Okay, so first impressions. I love it so far. This is definitely a natural mascara, so if you're not into like natural, I'd say Glossier as a brand isn't really for you. My lashes feel pretty flexible, but they don't feel like wet or crunchy. This is incredible. Holy crap, it has made my lashes look beautiful. It feels really nice on. The fibers don't go everywhere. I have contacts and the fibers don't seem to be affecting that yet. Obviously, I haven't worn it throughout the whole day, but oh my god. This is super pretty. Wow, this also claims to be like water resistant and like smudge proof, I think. I'm not sure, but it does come off with warm water, so the removal is fairly easy. So I cannot wait. So far, so good. The brush, super easy to apply. I didn't smudge it everywhere. I normally smudge this everywhere. Very easy to build up, and OMG, I've never tried a mascara like this one, so this is pretty cool. Love the packaging. It was $16, which is not, you know, the most affordable mascara, but it isn't super pricey either. So I think the price point is really good. You can get it online or at their showrooms/stores. There's one in New York. That's the one I went to. So yeah, so far I am loving this. And I will let you know. I will report back to you to see if this keeps on being amazing throughout the day. Okay friends, time for a mascara checkup. I just finished lunch, running a few errands. It's been like 3 hours, I think, 3-ish hours. And we will now check on the mascara in my eyes. I know this is peeling disgustingly, so ignore that, but this is what the lashes look like. They are still super flexible, very comfy, haven't lost their like shape at all. I haven't really noticed much flakiness. Like I do see just a tiny bit here and like one here, but it's nothing like out of the ordinary. Everything just seems to look amazing. Super comfortable. I haven't had any fibers fall into my contacts, which is incredible. The mascara, you know, it's still looking fresh, and my lashes look like they're fake. I can't. It still looks as good as it did when I applied it, and it's been like 3 hours at least. So yeah, I am liking this. This is looking great. Okay friends, so it is later on in the day. It is nighttime, but since summer is approaching, I still have a little bit of natural lighting. Sorry, it's not a lot, but I work with what I got, okay? My freaking blush bronzer looks horrendous today. I don't know why, but who cares? We're here for the mascara. Time for update number 3. So my lashes still look pretty much exactly the same as they did when I applied this mascara, honestly. They still look separated, they still look long, and they have held the curl pretty well. So I am very impressed. The only thing I did notice is that there was a little bit of like flaking with this. I did see a few like dots. They were super easy to remove. They didn't smudge anywhere, and they weren't a lot. You know, they were smudges I can work with. Well, not smudges, flakes I can work with. So yeah, this mascara is amazing. So yeah, you guys, that does it for the day. Final verdict of this mascara, amazing. I cannot wait to use it more. And I am going to definitely be wearing it a lot. Okay, so in this little pink pouch, I also got a few other bits. I got a refill of Boy Brow. You guys know how much I love Boy Brow. It's my favorite brow gel of life, so I just got a refill because mine was like running extra low. And then I got 2 cloud paints. I got Dusk and Beam. They're just super cute colors. I love the packaging. This is just so beautiful. Like, do you see this? So Dusk is more of like a nudie blush, but it's a little bit peachy. You guys know I'm into blush right now. I don't know what's happening to me, but I got this color. And then I got Beam, which is their newest one, which is a lot more vibrant and peachy. Still up my alley. So yeah, I got this one as well. I don't know what I was gonna say there, but yeah, I got these 2. Cannot wait to play with them. They're probably going to be featured in a few videos in the future, so stay tuned. And then I am super excited because I got a big pouch. I've only ever gotten like the small ones, but this is a big pouch, which is bigger than my face, and I am obsessed. Please focus on me. So yeah, I got the big pouch. Pretty stoked about that. And inside here, we have a few. I love how they give you stickers, so I got a few Glossier stickers, which is my life. I love you guys. And I got a sample of the priming moisturizer, which I've never tried because I'm not necessarily dry. And then I got a few postcards that are super cute, and I will be saving those. And then what's in this big ass bag is this. I got Solution, guys. I got Solution. So Solution is their exfoliating skin perfector. It's 10% AHA, BHA, PHA, salicylic acid acne treatment. My skin has been acting up lately. I've been traveling a lot, you know, change of like scenery, weather, etc. So I just wanted to try this out. I've heard a lot of great things about it. The packaging is amazing. So yeah, I am really excited for this, and I will let you know what I think of it. The packaging is bomb. And yeah, those were all the things that I got. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoy my content, and it gives me feedback. If there's anything else, like any other videos you'd like me to do, also let me know. I would love to do what you guys want me to do. And yeah, I think that is it for today. Make sure to subscribe, follow me on Instagram, all the good stuff, and I will definitely see you in my next video. I love you a lot. Bye, guys. Mwah.